What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Bitcoin, as you can see, is doing pretty much what I told you, what I warned you on the previous video of technical analysis. I said that we had all this good rally to the upside right here, but this place right there was a very important level of resistance, not only because of one resistance, but two different ones. The descending one and also the horizontal level. Plus the fact that we were having bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, that it is guys. If we zoom in here on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that the price started battling, fighting here for quite some time, and we ended up forming this support right here and breaking it to the downside. And once we broke it to the downside, retested it as a new resistance, of course we started melting down. And by going down, we also break important level of support. Just give me a second to find it. There we go, this red line right here, we retested it as you can see right here and was rejected by this level. And now on the way back, of course, this level is going to be a level of resistance as it has been previously here and here. And before we continue with the technical analysis, guys, make sure to click on my YouTube channel and watch this video right here, guys. A very interesting video, as you can see, buying a brand new watch with money from trading. In this video, I'm going to show to you all the steps that made me jump into a short position on Solana, guys. So make sure to watch this video, make sure to hit the like button. And also, of course, if you're going to be inspired by this video and you want to start making your own money, guys, don't forget to click the first link on the description of this video and sign up to Bybit, which is the exchange that I'm using in this video. And if you're going to use this link right here, guys, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. But Bybit requires KYC. So if you don't want to do KYC, guys, then I would recommend you to use Bitflex instead, and you can also claim $10 when you deposit $100. As I explained to you already, guys, it is very normal to have some corrective movements. The thing here is this just going to be a healthy corrective movement, or we are going to keep going down? We can bring here the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, the level that we found support here on Bitcoin right now is the first level of support of the Fibonacci retracement. And the next important level of Fibonacci is all the way down to 26,200. You remember, I guess, how important this level was back here. The Bitcoin struggled a lot to break above this level. So it means that it is going to be a very good level of support. And the next one, if we fail to hold this one, is going to be all the way down to $25,900. So if we are going to see some reaction and some local bottom formation around in between these levels right here, good news, then the most probable scenario would be to come all the way down to the level of this descending resistance once more and try to break it again to the upside. Otherwise, if we are going to lose all these levels, guys, it is not going to be good for the Bitcoin price, because we would have so many resistances above the price section and would of course increase the probability of finding some resistance somewhere here and coming all the way down once more to our critical level. Zooming out here a little bit on the Bitcoin chart, guys, you can see that even though we had this movement to the upside, this nice rally to the upside, we are still unfortunately just forming another lower low, as you can see, showing weakness. And this is of course a sign that the bears are still in control. And the last thing that I wanted to show you here on the Bitcoin, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, is that we are respecting, you know already, this descending purple line right here of resistance, and also this horizontal line of support here, the most critical level for Bitcoin. So there is a probability that we are going to be bouncing here on Bitcoin like we are doing already, but there is a probability that we are going to keep doing this type of movement until we finally decide, until Bitcoin finally decide if it's going to break to the upside or to the downside. The next thing that I want to talk about today, guys, is the S&P 500. As you can see, guys, I've been talking for a while on this channel about this head and shoulders formation. Since we were up here, I was telling you guys, there are signs on the smaller time frames that we are forming a local top right here. And if we are actually forming this local top right here, guys, we could start seeing a corrective movement on the S&P 500. And if we are going to go down, of course, we are going to form this head and shoulders. And several days later, here we are, guys. We came all the way to the level of the neckline of these head and shoulders, and actually we are breaking already below this level. If tomorrow and on the following days we are not going to see some reaction, if we are going to be rejected by this level, then guys, you know how this pattern works already, and the target for this head and shoulders would be all the way down to, let me see, 4,114, all the way down to the level of this previous highs right here. And the next one that I wanted to show you today, guys, is the DXY. And as you can see, we are fighting at a level of resistance right now. This level was previous resistance, as you can see so many times, and also support for the price action. And right now, so far, it is acting as a resistance once more. As you can see, if I zoom in here a little bit, you can see that we are forming a doji, a gravestone doji right here. And also, if we change here to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are forming this bearish divergence with this high and lower highs after this on the RSI, while on the price action we are having the opposite, this high and higher highs. So we are having some indications here of weakness, and we could also see some corrective movement also on the DXY. I'm planning to do a live stream to you tomorrow, guys, so we can better talk about the other altcoins, so we can have a better overview on all the crypto market. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.